Hindi lang isa o dalawa, kundi tatlo ang covers ni Liza sa verano para sa isang sikat na fashion magazine. Biggest issue ito ng taon, kaya sa California ginawa ang shoot. Silipin ang behind the scenes sa pagpapatrol ni Hollywood correspondent Yong Chavez.
Kamakailan ni-reveal ng Metro ang tatlong cover nito na tampok si Liza Soberano. Nagtungo pa sa Hollywood noong Hulyo si Liza para sa espesyal na photoshoot sa California para sa September issue ng magazine.
I love Metro kasi sobrang galing ng mga concepts nila and sobrang high fashion and I love doing high fashion shoots and I was more excited when I found out na dito gagawin yung shoot.
Sabi ni Liza, katuparan ang kanyang pangarap ang maging cover girl.
Nung bata ako, nanonood ako ng America's Next Top Model, so I've always wanted to be a model but not a celebrity.
Binahagi din niya ang kanyang fashion inspiration.
When you see her, parang everybody starts looking at her and she looks comfortable in what she's wearing. She always wears pants and that's what I like about it. And she looks so high fashion.
Natuwa naman si Liza dahil ginawa ang photoshoot sa iba't ibang parte ng California.
It was fun kasi merong mga places na hindi ko pa napupuntahan when I was little. So I got to see different parts of California. And also, I came here before in LA, pero I was still young. So I didn't really care about what it looked like or anything. But now, like, when I see it, I was super, excited and happy about it. The place is beautiful.
Kasama sa mga pinuntahan ng Metro team ang San Francisco at Los Angeles kung saan lumibot ang grupo para makunan si Liza sa mga famous landmarks sa Amerika. Yong Chavez, ABS-CBN News, Hollywood.